Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that affects every one of us, cybersecurity. With the rapid changes in technology, 2024 is seeing a whole new level of online threats and new ways to protect ourselves. Whether you're browsing social media, shopping online, or working from home, knowing how to stay secure has never been more important. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to keep yourself and your data safe. So grab a pen and get ready to take some notes. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep up with more tips to protect yourself online. Let's jump in. You might be asking, why is cybersecurity such a big deal in 2024? Well, as technology advances, so do cyber threats. Hackers are more skilled than ever, and with so much of our personal and financial information online, we're all potential targets. New attacks target everything from our social media accounts to our bank info. But don't worry, staying informed is your first line of defense. Key reasons cybersecurity is important. Personal information safety prevent hackers from stealing your identity or financial information. Device security protects your devices from viruses that can slow them down or cause data loss. Digital privacy keeps your online activities private from prying eyes. Alright, let's talk trends. Cybersecurity is evolving, and in 2024, some key trends are changing how we protect ourselves. Here's what you need to know about new tactics and tools. AI-powered cyber defense. AI can detect threats faster than humans, helping to catch suspicious activity early. AI analyzes tons of data to spot patterns, making it easier to prevent attacks. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, everywhere. MFA adds an extra step in logging in, keeping your accounts more secure. It's becoming common on banking, email, and social media apps to prevent unauthorized access. Increased mobile security focus. As mobile banking and shopping grow, so do mobile security threats. Security apps and safer mobile practices are critical to staying protected. Let's talk threats. What should you be on the lookout for in 2024? Here are some common types of cyber attacks to be aware of. Phishing scams. Fake emails or texts that try to trick you into giving up your info. Always double-check links and never open unknown attachments. Ransomware. Malware that locks your files until you pay a ransom. Keep backups and avoid clicking suspicious links. Social engineering. Scammers pretending to be people you trust to trick you into sharing information. Always verify before giving away any personal details. Now let's get into the practical part. How can you stay safe online in 2024? Here are some simple steps you can take to secure yourself. Use strong, unique passwords. Each account should have a unique password. Consider a password manager for extra help. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. Adds an extra layer of security on top of your password. Install security software. Antivirus programs and firewalls are your first defense against malware. Be wary of public Wi-Fi. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts when connected to public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN if you need to connect to open networks. Let's not forget mobile devices. Here are some quick tips to protect your phone or tablet. Keep software updated. Updates contain security patches, so don't ignore them. Use secure apps for sensitive info. Only use verified apps, especially for banking or sensitive data. Be careful with permissions. Check which permissions apps are asking for, especially if they seem unnecessary. So, what if you fall victim to a cyber attack? Don't panic, here's what to do. Change your passwords. Start with the most important accounts, like email and banking. Run a security scan. Use your antivirus software to check for any threats on your devices. Monitor your accounts. Keep an eye on your bank statements and email for suspicious activity. Cybersecurity is always evolving, and 2024 is just the beginning. With the rise of AI, smarter security solutions, and better ways to protect our devices, there's hope that we can stay one step ahead of hackers. But it all starts with being aware and staying updated. Thank you so much for watching. Cybersecurity is something we can all take charge of, and now you have the knowledge to stay safe in 2024. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. And for more easy-to-understand guides on tech and security, don't forget to subscribe to our Make First Move channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.